Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you a reports part of this uh, system. To reach report section, click on a reports icon from left side navigation menu. Here you can see the list of all reports which we have created, like ticket detail user wise, number of ticket status wise, category wise tickets, and product details customer wise. If you let's start with ticket detail user wise. Here you can see the listing of all tickets and all users tickets, and columns are like categories, subjects, priorities, status, and created date. If you want to filter any user, then here you can see the all users listing here. If you want to see only Aaron Fisher's ticket, then just click on Aaron Fisher, and here you can see only Aaron Fisher's ticket. If you want to see test user, then here there is no tickets defined in test users account. If you want to export this report in currently we have defined four different format like PDF, Excel, Word, or CSV. If you want to export in Excel format, then just select Excel and click on export, and here you can see the export Excel file of report. Just open it. Here you can see the Excel file created. Now I'm going to number of ticket status wise report. Here you can see the listing of ticket by status wise. Means there are three status in our system, like open, close, and in process. If you want to see only in open status ticket, then deselect the close and in process, and you can see only open ticket. If you want to see open and close, then just click on open and close checkbox. You can see the listing of open tickets and closed tickets. If you want to see all status tickets, then click on in process, and you can get the list of all tickets by status wise. Here you can see the total number of tickets belongs in open status, total number of tickets in closed status, total number of tickets in process status. And here we have all same columns defined here, like categories, subjects, priorities, status, and creator date. And here we have defined four format. If you want to export in PDF format, then select PDF and click on export. If you want to uh, this report in Excel format, then select in Excel and just click on export icon. If you want to see this report in Word format, then click Word and export. Here you can see how the report looks like in a Word format. Open ticket, in process ticket, and total number of closed tickets, same category name, subject, ticket ID, priority, status, and created date. Now next is category wise ticket. Here you can see all the categories. If you want to filter any categories, like how many tickets are belongs in hardware categories, then just select hardware, and you can get the list of all hardware categories list. If you want to export in different format like PDF, Excel, Word, here we have provisions for export report in a different format. And the last one is product detail customer wise. Here you can see the list of all customers. Just select any. If you want to see uh, how many products defined in a specific customer, then just click select cu- customer's name from the customer list, and you can see the product list means customer name, product name, model number, serial number, warranty from and warranty to, and export provisions like PDF, Excel, Word and CSV, and click on export button. Here you can see the how the CSV format of product wise customer wise product reports look like. That's it in report sections. Currently I have finished everything in CHM. Thanks for watching. Bye.